10 towns in England that look like paradise until you try living there. England is filled with towns that look like they were lifted straight from a storybook. Pastel harbour fronts, golden beaches, cobbled streets, rolling countryside, and skyline views that stop you in your tracks. But just because a place looks like paradise doesn't mean it's simple to live in. Behind the charm, some towns hide steep costs, seasonal economies, relentless tourism, or day-to-day challenges that visitors never see. In this list of 10 towns in England that look like paradise until you try living there, we explore 10 breathtaking places that are wonderful to admire, but surprisingly tricky to call home. 10. St Ives, Cornwall. St Ives is the jewel of Cornwall. Shimmering seas, white sand beaches, a lively art scene, and some of the most photogenic scenery in the country. On a sunny day, its turquoise water looks almost tropical, and the narrow lanes filled with galleries and cafés create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that draws millions of visitors. But living in St Ives long-term is a very different story. Property prices have risen sharply over the years due to second home demand. During peak seasons, the streets can become packed, parking is scarce, and everyday errands can take much longer than expected. Tourism supports the local economy, but it also means the town operates at full speed for months at a time, then slows dramatically in winter. The beauty is undeniable, but everyday life requires patience, planning, and a realistic budget. 9. Bakewell, Derbyshire. Bakewell is the quintessential Derbyshire market town, framed by green hills and known for its riverside charm and famous pudding. Visitors adore wandering past stone cottages, browsing independent shops, and relaxing by the water as ducks drift by. It feels peaceful, wholesome, and timeless. The kind of place that looks perfect on postcards. However, living here full-time reveals some limitations. Bakewell is relatively small, and, although tourism keeps it lively, job opportunities outside hospitality and retail can be limited. On weekends and holidays, traffic can become congested as thousands of day trippers arrive from across the country. The cost of housing has also risen, reflecting demand from people drawn to the Peak District lifestyle. Bakewell is lovely, but its small scale means residents must travel regularly for essentials, appointments, and wider services. 8. Rye, East Sussex. Rye is one of England's most enchanting small towns. Cobblestone lanes, half-timbered buildings, vintage shops, and sweeping landscape views over the marshes. Walking through Mermaid Street feels like stepping into a medieval illustration. It's peaceful, picturesque, and charmingly old-fashioned. But Rye is also remote and quiet. While it thrives with visitors, it has limited services and a slower daily rhythm. Trains run, but connections to major employment areas take time. Housing here is beautiful yet expensive, driven by the town's historic appeal. Winter nights are still and silent, and some residents find the calm a little too quiet. Rye remains one of England's prettiest places to explore. Yet living here requires appreciating a gentler, slower pace of life. 7. Lynton and Lynmouth, Devon. These twin Devon towns are unforgettable. Lynton sits high above dramatic cliffs, while Lynmouth lies at sea level, joined by a famous cliff railway that feels like something from a Victorian adventure. The landscape is dramatic, deep valleys, rugged coastline, and walking paths straight out of a painting. But daily life brings practical challenges. The steepness of the terrain makes simple routines, such as grocery runs or school commutes, more demanding. Essential services often require long drives, which can be tricky in winter. While tourism supports many businesses, it also means seasonal income for a large portion of residents. Lynton and Lynmouth are breathtaking and inspiring, but choosing to live here full-time means embracing physical distance, steep hills, and a quieter lifestyle. 6. Keswick, Cumbria, Keswick is one of the most admired towns in the Lake District, surrounded by fells and perched beside Derwentwater's shimmering surface. It's a paradise for walkers, nature lovers, and anyone who dreams of stepping outside and being instantly close to mountains. Yet Keswick's popularity comes with practical drawbacks. Property prices can be high, and the local economy is heavily dependent on tourism. Many jobs are seasonal, and competition for long-term rentals is fierce. On busy days, the town centre fills with visitors, creating queues and reducing parking availability. Winter can feel long and quiet as shops operate shorter hours. Keswick is extraordinary to visit, but settling here means embracing a highly seasonal rhythm. 5. Whitstable, Kent. Whitstable combines colourful beach huts, oyster bars and golden sunsets into an effortlessly attractive seaside lifestyle. Independent stores line the streets, and the harbour buzzes with character. The town's creative atmosphere makes it feel fresh and friendly, offering something picturesque around every corner. But Whitstable's popularity has reshaped its cost of living. Housing has become significantly more expensive, fueled by its appeal to commuters and holiday homeowners. Traffic can be challenging, especially during summer weekends. While it offers good food and scenery, the local job market is smaller, and many residents commute to nearby cities for work. Whitstable remains one of England's loveliest seaside towns. But living here requires navigating both high demand and high seasonal footfall. 4. Salcombe, Devon. Salcombe is breathtakingly beautiful. Turquoise waters, golden beaches, hillside cottages, and sailboats drifting across the estuary. It's the kind of place that makes instant believers out of visitors. The lifestyle appears luxurious and relaxed, and the views genuinely look like paradise. However, Salcombe is also one of the most expensive towns in England. A high proportion of homes are owned as holiday properties, which affects both prices and availability for locals. Everyday essentials can be costly, and many year-round job opportunities revolve around tourism. While the beauty is extraordinary, daily life requires a strong financial footing and the ability to handle a community that swells dramatically in summer. Salcombe is dreamlike, but the dream comes at a premium. 3. Fowey, Cornwall. Fowey feels like stepping into a coastal fairy tale. Narrow lanes, heritage buildings, brightly painted houses, and a beautiful waterfront dotted with boats. The town inspired famous writers and remains one of Cornwall's most admired spots for scenery, walking routes, and character. Yet, behind the charm are some real-life challenges. Fowey's steep layout makes everyday errands more tiring. Services, supermarkets, and healthcare often require travel to larger towns. Tourism drives much of the local economy, and many businesses operate seasonally. Housing can be pricey due to the demand for holiday homes, and car parking is limited, especially in warmer months. Fowey is magical for weekend escapes, but living here year-round requires embracing the town's seasonal nature and remote layout. 2. Wells next the sea, Norfolk. Wells next the sea is a paradise for beach lovers. Vast sandy shores, colourful huts, a peaceful harbour, and scenic coastal walks. On a bright summer day, it feels almost otherworldly. The relaxed pace and natural beauty draw visitors from across the country, but living here full-time requires adjusting to the town's unique rhythm. Tourism shapes the local economy heavily, making some jobs seasonal. Transport options are limited, and travelling to major cities for work or services requires long drives. In winter, the town becomes extremely quiet, with many businesses closing or reducing hours. Wells next the sea is stunning, but its peaceful charm also means fewer conveniences for those seeking a busy, well-connected lifestyle. 1. Padstow, Cornwall. Padstow tops this list because it combines extraordinary beauty with some of the most challenging living conditions of any small town in England. Its harbour is picture-perfect, offering colourful boats, charming lanes, and waterside restaurants. Visitors fall in love instantly, and tourism fuels a lively, joyful atmosphere in warmer months. However, that same popularity creates difficulties for residents. Housing is expensive, with high demand from holidaymakers and second homeowners. Traffic can be intense, especially during peak seasons, and essential services can feel stretched. Many local jobs depend on tourism, meaning quieter winters and busier summers. Padstow is unforgettable, a dream for a holiday, but demanding as a long-term home. These 10 towns prove that beauty alone isn't enough to guarantee an easy life. England is filled with stunning places, but the reality of living in them can be very different from visiting. Whether it's cost, crowds, or isolation, paradise often comes with trade-offs hidden behind the picture-perfect views. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.